Okay, so this is the second video for preparing for the new A-level, and this one is all about expanding brackets. So if we have a look at these are different types of expanding brackets that you can expect to see in the A-level. And the first one here, we got 4 bracket x plus 2 plus 3 bracket x minus 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand the bracket. So 4 lots of x is 4x, 4 lots of 2 is plus 8. And we've got 3 lots of x, which is 3x. We've got 3 lots of minus 5, so we've got a plus 3 times a minus 5. That's going to be minus 15. And that's one thing, and then you've got to simplify it. So 4x plus 3x is 7x. So that's going to be 7x. And 8 take away 15 is going to be minus 7. So we've got 7x minus 7. Okay, next one's very, very common. You've got 2 brackets next to each other, so I tend to use the smiley face method. So I'll do the left eyebrow, the right eyebrow, the nose, and the mouth. So the left eyebrow is a times a, which is a squared. The right eyebrow is 3 times minus 7, which is minus 21. Then we've got the nose, which is 3 times a, so that's going to be plus 3a. And you've got a times minus 7, which is minus 7a. And then what you do is you just simplify it all. So a squared, and then 3a take away 7a is going to be minus 4a. We've got minus 21. Next, we've got 2 brackets, but it's slightly trickier. So if we have a look at this one, we do left eyebrow, so that's going to be 3c cubed, because you've got c times by c squared, so that's going to be c cubed. The right eyebrow is 2d times by minus 6, that's going to be minus 12d. And you've got the nose, so you've got 3c squared times 2d, so that's going to be plus 6c squared d. And you've got the mouth, which is minus 6c. If you have a look here, none of these things here are the same, so you can't simplify them. The next thing, and this is a common mistake, if you've got a bracket squared, you need to write the bracket out twice. So t minus 9, t minus 9. And if you expand that, it's going to be t times t, which is t squared. Got the right eyebrow, which is minus 9 times minus 9, so you've got 2 minuses multiplied together there. That's plus 81. And you've got minus 9t, and then minus 9t. It's going to be t squared minus 18t plus 81. And then we've got something a little bit trickier again. So we've got 3 things that we're multiplying. So if we just ignore that bit here for a second and just concentrate on this bit. So we're going to do x times 2x and x times 4. So if we do that, we get x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 4 is going to be plus 4x. And we're going to put that back in brackets, and then we're going to multiply it by the other set of brackets, which is x plus 6. And then we just use the smiley face method again. So 2x squared times x is going to be 2x cubed. Then you've got the right eyebrow, which is 4x times 6, which is going to be plus 24x. Then you've got the nose, which is plus 4x squared. You've got the mouth, which is plus 12x squared. And then if you simplify that, it's going to be 2x cubed. And then if you simplify these 2 bits, that's going to be plus 16x squared and plus 24x. And that's as simple as we can make that. And now we're going to do exactly the same, but for this one over here. So again, we ignore the third bracket to start off with, and we do the first 2. So that's going to be, do the left eyebrow, x squared. The right eyebrow is plus 45, then minus 5x, and then minus 9x. We stick that all in the bracket, and then stick the x minus 3 on the end. And if we simplify the first bracket, it's going to be x squared minus 14x plus 45. And you're going to multiply that by x minus 3. Now the way we do this is we're going to multiply everything by this x. So we're going to do x squared times x, 14x times x, 45 times by x. So if we do that, that's going to be x cubed minus 14x squared plus 45... 45x, and you multiply everything by the minus 3, so that's going to be minus 3x squared plus 3 lots of 14 is 42x, and then minus 3 times 45 is minus 135, and then you simplify it. There's no other x cubed, so it's just a simple x cubed. You've got minus 14x squared minus 3x squared, so that's going to be minus 17x squared. 45x plus 42x is going to be plus 87x, and then you've got that minus 135 on the end. So that's the kind of expansion brackets that you expect to see in the first part of A level. So if you have a go at this one, so pause the video and have a go at multiplying these out. Sorry, this one here is a t. That's t plus 6 and t minus 5. Okay, so pause the video, have a go at that, and see how you go on. And if you've paused it, then this is hopefully what you should have got. So if we multiply out these brackets, it's going to be 3p plus 6. And notice this one is minus 4 times 2p, so that's going to be minus 8p. Minus 4 times minus 6 is going to be plus 24. Then we're going to simplify it, so that's going to be minus 5p plus 30. And that's the answer. Next one, if you do the left eyebrow, it's going to be t squared, then minus 30, then plus 6t, then minus 5t. So if we then simplify that, it's going to be t squared. 6t minus 5t is going to be 1t, so rather than saying 1t, we'll just write plus t, then minus 30, and that's that one done. Next one, if we multiply the left eyebrow, we've got 3 cubed to the power of 4, then you've got plus 32r, and then plus 12 q cubed r, and then plus 8q. And notice that nothing here can be simplified because they're all different things, so that's as simple as they can get. This one here, you need to write the bracket out twice. So x minus y, that's going to be x squared. And then it's minus y times a minus y, so it's going to be plus y squared. And you've got minus xy, and then minus xy. And the way you simplify that, it's x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Now this is something that you need to try and remember, because in maths sometimes something will look along the same lines as this. So you've got a something squared on the beginning and the end, and then you've got two lots of those things that aren't squared in the middle, and that should always factorize to this thing here. Most people can't spot that. Now the penultimate one is we're going to forget about that last thing and just multiply the first thing by a. So that's going to be 3a squared minus 2a. And stick it in brackets and stick the other bracket on the end. So 4a plus 6. Then if you do the smiley face method, you should get 12a cubed minus 12a minus 8a squared plus 18a squared. If we simplify that, that's going to be 12a cubed. And you've got minus 8a squared plus 18a squared, so that's going to be plus 10a squared minus 12a. And then last but not least, we've got the ones with the j's. So again, we're going to just look at the first two brackets. That's going to be j minus 3 times j plus 5. That's going to be j squared minus 15 minus 3j plus 5j. Stick that in brackets and stick the other bracket on the end, so 2j minus 6. We simplify this bracket, that's going to be j squared plus 2j minus 15. We're going to times that by 2j minus 6. So you're going to times everything by the 2j. So that's going to give us 2j cubed plus 4j squared. So that's the 2j cubed. That is the 4j squared. And we've got the minus 30j. Going to times everything by this minus 6, so that's going to be minus 6j squared minus 12j, and that thing's going to be plus 90, and we simplify it. So 2j cubed minus 2j squared minus 42j plus 90, and that's it. And that's all you need to know for the expanding and simplifying brackets.